it's Smith here, and today I'm just showing you something that I've had for quite a while, but I've just not got around to doing a video on it, and it's about my fidget spinner. So basically what a fidget spinner is like a toy that you can just do that with, and you can speed it up if you want, and it's basically a stress reducer. You can take the caps off and everything, and you can push that out and spin by itself. If you see here, I'll try and get it on the phone for you guys. See here. So I'll put that back in. So as you see here, you just get it in, and what you need to do is you just need to pop it up like that and make sure it's level. So then put the caps in. You've got to do it at the same time or it won't be that level. So just get them in and then push them in. Spin it like that. So basically, I'm going to be showing you some tricks what you should learn when you get one. Well, the first trick is just do that with it, just to be able to do that. So then the next trick is basically this, but there's a little catch to it. So all you want to do is you just need to let it do that and catch it. It's very hard. I'm still practicing it myself. Oh my life, that was so bit. I'll just keep trying it until I get a good go on it. Oh, and that was close. But I need like a bigger thumb, really, because it's quite big. It can hold it, but it's just so. Damn it! I keep doing it, but it just keeps falling straight away. Oh, I did it! So I'll try it with the left hand, basically. Right. Very hard to do it while. Oh, I did it! So just go over. Right, okay, I've done it. So the next one is called. So you start. You get your thumb here, obviously, and then you get this finger. This one I've done. You spin it, and then you get your middle finger. Transfer it. Then you get your that finger, and you get that finger. And then you've just got to keep practicing that until you can do it on your hand every time, like I can. And then the next trick is basic. Well, it's called the hand transfer, where you just get it and then you transfer it onto your other hand. Oh wait, damn it. So you get it there, and then you slowly bring it in and you let it off. There's another way of hand transferring it, so you get it like this, and then you've got to throw it and then catch it in that other hand. I'll keep trying a bit. I sort of did it. My dad can do it really good. I sort of did it. Like, I'd do it, but just it didn't get right there. Right, one more. Oh yes, I just did it. Yes. So, as you saw there, I got it. I'm getting better, So, you get it? Nice. Oh, I'm getting the hang of it, guys. Damn it. So basically, oh, no, that's not working. Oh, damn it. It's just, oh. So, right. Guys, I'm going to end it here because these are all the tricks that I know. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Peace out. And as well, if you're new to this channel, please leave a like and subscribe for more daily content. So right, peace out and see you later.